All verse Rising Soul family, and today we are going to expose Cash Mall. She is a Matrix sellout, and here's why. Just look at this, right? We gonna go back. Okay, the stuff that she wearing right here, you could tell when girls like this wear outfits like this, they're trying to impress a lot of bad boys of the Matrix entertainment industry, right? You could tell she gave herself. You could tell she gave herself to a lot of bad boy demons in the music industry and the entertainment industry. Man, it's so damn sad, bro. Like, girls like this like to put on that good girl facade and all that stuff. Like, I'm not falling for it. I know other dudes had probably like complimented her on her looks before on social media and outside of social media. For the dudes that might have seen her in person, man, bro. For the dudes that might have seen her in person, she probably had her matrix ego boosted. She probably had her soulless vibrational nature ego boosted from a lot of dudes who is simp to her, complimenting her on her physical beauty. But I can tell you right now, like, girls that be looking like this are demons, bro. Like, and look, she made it on the Fox News station, right? Because not anybody could just make it on the Fox News station. It takes people that are from slave owner matrix families to make it there, because people that are walking prophets, self-chosen ones of this multiverse, people that represent Unk Life spirituality, man. Look at this, man. You can tell that Cash Mall has sold out to, you don't need gematria to figure this stuff out. Like, just look at her, man. Okay, 3,918 likes. Like, you could tell, like, of course she wears waist beads and all that stuff, man. So she's a freak for a lot of demonic bad boys, because I could tell you right now, she has no experience with, you know, sharing herself with soulful vibrational men who don't fit in the matrix. We all know this, man. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Okay, look, Cash Mall has 275,000 plus followers. She has 275,000 K plus followers on her Instagram. But she follows 4 people, right? She calls herself the introspective introvert. Yeah, yeah. What a lie. What a lie. Why she lying to the masses like she a good girl? Like, what kind of girl gonna follow 4 people and only gonna have like 275,000 plus followers on the Instagram and 164 posts? Who's the 4 people she follow? That's interesting. That's interesting. She only followed like 4 people. And then she got all these different followers from a lot of guys that she don't even pay no mind to. But she be paying mind. She be paying mind to a lot of soulless vibrational bad boys in the music entertainment industry that got her on with that Apple Music and Spotify and YouTube and all that, man. We gonna get into a lot of this stuff right here, bro. Just check this out. And as y'all see the video where it got like 3.1K views, where it seemed like her breast was like popping out her shirt. She knew what she was doing. She did that intentionally because she knew it was gonna get her a lot of guys who would simp for her and shower her with so many compliments to boost her matrix evil ass ego while she can maintain this good girl image. Man, I already know she's a fraud, bro. Like, come on, bro. And I could tell you, like, when she like that video that has like 3.1K views, when she got into her new apartment, man, she had a lot of bad boys that like came through her place and like, bust her down and ran through her, man. Like, she ain't no good. She all used and wasted, man. This Cash Mall girl, like this Cash Mall girl that y'all see, like this I am Cash Mall girl that y'all see, man, she's used and wasted, man. She been ran through by a lot of bad boys. We already know. Like, you see she got her shirt tied up and like you see her breast is like almost popping out and she wearing this like enticing outfit. She knows she gonna get a lot of compliments from a lot of simpy guys to come in the comments, because she trying to manipulate with this music playing she got and using her beauty validation. She's trying to seek beauty validation with her physical beauty and stuff. Like, this is a whole demon, right? Come on. It's interesting she did that song talking about everybody loves the sunshine, right? You see, the sunshine that she trying to bring is artificial. It's false light of sunshine. Like, this is a demon pretending to be a good girl, a spiritual girl, right? Like, come on, bro. I already see through the facade she putting up, man. And on top of that, like, this is a demon that's like disguised as a light-skinned melanated woman, because everybody know a lot light-skinned melanated women are appealing on planet Earth. But I see this as a demon, bro. You can tell a lot of dudes that ran through it, bro. Talking about purple lights, you know. Come on, man. You could tell the slave masters. You can tell the slave masters of the music industry told her to pose like that and wear that type of clothes, man. Come on, man. And of course, this is her before her fame. This is her before her fame, right? 417 likes. This is around 2018. Look at this. The likes done shot up. It's 2021, and this is her 2020 throwback. This is during the era. Man, come on, bro. 42,418 likes on the photo. Look at this one right here. You can tell with the way that she has her makeup on and the way the clothes she wearing. She wears this stuff for a lot of the satanic, demonic, Jezebel spirit, deadbeat bad boys to come get her. And she give herself to these bad boys out in the locations she be living at and the locations she traveled to, you know, behind the scenes to get her social media fame. She been ran through and been busted up in by a lot of bad boys, bro. Y'all see, you all see the difference between the likes in 2018 before she sold out the fame. This is before she sold out. And this is when she sold out. You feel me? You see the difference? Look, man. You see, it's no life in the eyes, bro. Come on, man. Over 40 lanes, no waiting. Yeah, she couldn't wait to be famous and sell out and like do a lot of sex rituals with demonic slave owners to get social media fame. Yeah, she couldn't wait. She couldn't wait, all right. Man, look at this, man. The way she dressed right here, she dressing up for the bad boys of the music industry and the celebrity industry and the presidential industry. All types of demonic, like high class industries by the slave owners, man. She been ran through by a lot of these demonic bad boys, man. I can guarantee you, ain't no soulful, vibrational, geeky, godly, vibrational man has ever had an emotional, strong connection with her. We just know it, man. She dressing enticing as fuck. Like, come on, we all know this, right? Look at this right here, right? This music video that she had right here, like of her being tied up. She basically like, you know, cursed herself with this music video. She cursed herself in this music video by, you know, playing as a girl who got tied up by this deadbeat bad boy that she pursued. Because a lot of girls go for bad boys, and guess what? They get into situations like that. They get tied up, raped by these bad boys that they say is a fun challenge. And look, she, you know, I Am Cash Mall. She's setting herself up for failure in the music industry by cursing herself to like be as this hostage girl in the music video. Y'all see it, man. Like, y'all see it, bro. Because this is the same situation when NBA Youngboy was in a casket. And NBA Youngboy is like predicting, he's guaranteeing his own passing, his own erasure from planet Earth with the cursed music video being a casket. So I Am Cash Mall, this Matrix sellout, she basically like told how she gonna be like replaced by a clone version of her. Like, because, you know, this is what happened to a lot of music celebrities, man. They either get tied up somewhere in some type of lab by these demonic draconian reptilian energy vampires. They get tied up as hostage and they get cloned and replaced. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, this is scary, bro. Like, but this is how it really be, man. And guess what? Cash Mall, she don't even know it, bro. She don't even know it. And look at this right here, right? Look at this caption. She said on January 19th of 2023, I will bring back the link. I will bring back the hands of time just so you could hold me, right? She basically telling how she's about to get cloned, and she regret that she sold out for fame. You feel me? Like she told it. She said, I will bring back the hands of time just so you could hold me, right? Okay, if a social media famous girl that's coming into celebrity fame says in a caption, I will bring back the hands of time just so you could hold me, and also she's wearing a funeral outfit, she basically calling her own funeral by these demonic rituals of having her being replaced by a clone version of her. Look, man, this probably might have been a second clone of Cash Mall. Like, really. As you can see here in 2018, this was the original Cash Mall. That was the original. And look at this right here. This is the clone. That's the first clone of it. And then look, this is gonna be, and this is the second, and this is the first clone of Cash Mall about to say, like, I would bring back the hands of time just so you could hold me. She know that she already know this first clone of Cash Mall is about to be replaced by a second clone of Cash Mall. Like, this is all facts, man. Like, come on, bro. Like, look at this, man. Look on Fox 5 Atlanta, man. Come on, bro. We got a bunch of whitewashed sellouts on here, man. Like, these, you can tell Cash Mall is part of the slave owner Rothschilds and Bowl family, bro. Part of the reptilian draconian family, bro. Y'all can see it, bro. Y'all can literally see it. Just look at the evil in the eyes, man. Nothing but 3 reptilians in the photos. Y'all see it, bro. Fox 5 Atlanta. Because let me tell you, no spiritual being is gonna appear in a major corporation news station. They will never let a Uncle Life spiritual chosen one who exposes all the evil slave owner doings on planet Earth be on Fox 5 News. So Cash Mall is a sellout, y'all. We see it, bro. We see it, y'all. We see it, y'all. Come on, bro. Come on, y'all see it, man. And as far as this right here, you know, wearing this enticing outfit while she plays the piano to Everybody Loves the Sunshine. You know, look, man. Cash Mall know what the fuck she doing. She's seeking beauty validation by trying to get a lot of likes. She doing what the slave owners are telling her to do to get this social media fame, because dressing like this and having her shirt like being tied up as if she prepared to get back shots by these bad boy celebrities and bad boy sellouts, part of the slave owner family. You know, this is what she has to do to get a lot of likes, man. This is not real soulful beings, bro. And as far as this video right here, man, like Cash Mall, like she basically guaranteeing her own doing of getting cloned again. This is gonna be her second time getting cloned, bro. Cause it leads back to this photo of saying, I will bring back the hands of time just so you can hold me. Yep. A second clone of Cash Mall is gonna appear. As y'all can see, is no life in the eyes. This is a soulless vibrational being. She said in the caption, you are the reason, right? Okay, what do you mean by you are the reason? She telling her fans or that they're the reason that she's famous, or she's saying to herself that she's the reason that she sold out for fame and money and beauty validations, attention that she can get from the masses of planet Earth, because she sold out with these demonic blood sacrificing rituals that she performed behind the scenes, and these demonic sex rituals she performed behind the scenes. Like, come on, y'all gotta think now. And Fox Magazine, look, that already tells you everything. Okay, Cash Mall is on Fox Magazine. She says sophisticated mess. Okay, she basically saying sophisticated mess because she got herself in the demonic music industry, and she don't wanna address everything that goes down with it, because she know a lot of bad things gonna happen to her if she addressed this stuff, man. This is the whole Matrix sellout. She's no different from any mainstream celebrity that y'all see on TV, that y'all saw on YouTube, she ain't no different from no social media famous person, y'all. Like, come on, bro. Sophisticated Mess, man. It says in the bio about her song title, album, whatever. She sold out, bro. She only follows 4 people, but she has like 275K followers, bro. She's a sellout, bro. There's no other way.